Hello everyone, and welcome back to Infinite Altitudes, the premier hotspot for aviation aficionados who revel in discovering the captivating realm of aviation history, facts, and tales. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most important aircraft of all time. These are the planes that revolutionized aviation and left an indelible mark on history. Let's get started. Our countdown begins with number 10, the Grumman Goose. This amphibious commuter plane was more than just ambitious, it was groundbreaking. Introduced in the 1930s, the Goose could take off and land on both water and land, making it ideal for island hopping and remote locations. It played a crucial role during World War II for the U.S. military, serving in search and rescue operations. The Grumman Goose brought air service to remote areas that lacked an airport. It made it to number 10 on our list as the reliable aircraft that enabled the explosion of commuter air traffic before World War II. Coming in at number 9 is the Spirit of St. Louis, the plane that made Charles Lindbergh a household name. In 1927, Lindbergh flew this aircraft non-stop from New York to Paris, completing the first solo transatlantic flight. This daring feat not only showcased the potential of long-distance air travel, but also inspired countless aviators and innovations in aviation technology. The audacity and courage of early air pioneers were matched by innovative engineering designs, which were purpose-built as a proof of concept, such as the Spirit of St. Louis. At number 8, we have the Supermarine Spitfire. The Spitfire was the only British fighter in continuous production throughout the entire Second World War, and it played a pivotal role in the Battle of Britain. Known for its speed, agility, and distinctive elliptical wings, the Spitfire became a symbol of hope and resilience. Its contribution to the war effort in aviation technology cannot be overstated. The Supermarine Spitfire, its pilots, and ground crews bore the immense pressure of defending Allied skies during one of history's darkest hours. Coming in at number 7 is the Boeing 747, also known as the Queen of the Skies. This aircraft held the passenger capacity record for 37 years and revolutionized long-haul air travel. Introduced in 1970, the 747 made international travel more accessible and affordable for millions of people around the globe. Its distinctive hump and massive size have made it an enduring icon of aviation. The Boeing 747 was a marvel of engineering and vision, which made it the most successful, widely used, and recognizable airliner of the modern age. At number 6, we have the Cessna 172, the highest-selling plane of all time. Since its introduction in 1956, over 44,000 units have been built, making it the most popular aircraft in history. The Cessna 172 is renowned for its reliability, ease of handling, and versatility, serving as the go-to plane for flight training and personal use. Redesignated as the T-41 in the 1960s, the aircraft have served numerous nations' militaries as their preferred training aircraft. Countless pilots, both civilian and military, can claim that they took to the skies for the first time in a Cessna 172. Coming in at number 5 is the Learjet 32, the first mass-produced business jet. Introduced in 1966, the Learjet 32 set the standard for private jet travel with its speed, range, and luxurious accommodations. It became the preferred choice for business executives, celebrities, and even heads of state. The Learjet has become so synonymous with private luxury aviation that even private jets of different makes and designs are often colloquially referred to as Learjets, regardless of manufacturer. It has become the status symbol and even the standard of those referred to as the rich and famous. At number 4, we have the Airbus A320, the first plane to feature fly-by-wire controls. Launched in 1988, the A320 revolutionized cockpit design with its electronic flight control system, enhancing safety, efficiency, and performance. The A320 family has become one of the best-selling aircraft in history, serving airlines worldwide. The Airbus A320 currently has the highest reputation and safety record among modern airline fleets. Its technological advancements and innovations have made it a cornerstone of modern aviation. Coming in at number 3 is the Lockheed SR-71, the world's fastest airplane, capable of reaching speeds of Mach 3.32. Introduced in the 1960s, the SR-71 was a marvel of engineering and stealth technology, used primarily for reconnaissance missions during the Cold War. Its ability to outrun threats and gather intelligence was unparalleled. The thrill and challenge of piloting this aircraft to the edge of human endurance at extraordinary speeds and even to the edge of space makes it among the most prestigious aircraft for a pilot to have flown. At number 2, we have the Blériot 11, the first aircraft to cross the English Channel. In 1909, French aviator Louis Blériot made history by flying this monoplane from Calais to Dover, proving that powered flight was more than a fleeting novelty. This achievement paved the way for the future of aviation and inspired a generation of aviators. Predating the Spirit of St. Louis by 18 years, the Blériot 11 was the first serious step towards gaining the public's fascination with the possibility of safe, long-distance flight. All of aviation's pioneering milestones in the following decades were merely copies of this achievement at greater and greater scale. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wright Flyer. And this is how it all began. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers achieved the first powered, controlled, and sustained flight with this iconic aircraft. The Wright Flyer's success marked the dawn of the aviation age, forever changing the course of history. The Wright Flyer was the original, successful proof of concept. Every step in aviation achievement owes its inspiration to this achievement, and every aviator owes an acknowledgement to the ingenuity and perseverance of Orville and Wilbur Wright that led to this groundbreaking moment in 1903. Each of these aircraft has played a crucial role in shaping the history of aviation, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible and inspiring future innovations. From amphibious commuters and transatlantic pioneers to supersonic reconnaissance and luxury business jets, these planes represent the pinnacle of human ingenuity and ambition. We hope you enjoyed this countdown of the top 10 most important aircraft of all time. Do you agree with our selection? Are there any other planes you think should have made the list? Let us know in the comments below. Your insights and stories are what make our community so vibrant. Don't forget to subscribe to Infinite Altitudes for more fascinating content about aviation history, facts, and tales. Stay tuned for our next video, where we continue to explore the captivating world of aviation. Until then, safe travels and happy flying!